Marta, you have to answer these questions from Heather, at Proud Book Nerd, before we get on the plane. She wants to know first, if you have anything to say to Julian or Jacob?
I don't know, should I have something to say to them?
I would tell them to F off.
You mean us, Tijen?
Whatever. Everything always sounds more threatening in German.
It's probably the only thing in German they would understand. If it were up to me, I would rather not see them again.
She wants to know what you thought when you found out the war was over.
You know, I was in shock. All I wanted was to be free. And suddenly I was handed my freedom. By Jacob, of all people.
I think sometimes, you're still in shock. She wants to know how you're adjusting to life out here now. I don't think you should tell her about all your bathroom problems.
Can we take that out of the video? I thought this was being recorded.
I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't have said that out loud. But it is an honest answer, so maybe you should tell them that you don't like the food.
Except for the French fries. I think everything out here is just scarier than I thought it would be. Everyone, and everything is so loud. Everyone is always so busy.
I think you are adjusting better than I expected.
It's one of my biggest concerns. So thank you, Lara.
Jerngestion, see, I'm learning.
Does she ask about Henrik? That's what everyone always wants to know. If I'm still in love with him.
Of course she does, and she wants to know if there's anything you would say to him now.
I think I would tell him, I'm sorry.
I think I would punch him in the face. There is nothing for you to be sorry about.
I didn't mean that I was sorry. I meant that I felt sorry for him. I should probably be angry. I should probably want to hurt him in some way. But I'm just sorry for him.
I don't feel sorry for him at all. I think he deserves Julian.
I think in some way I will always love the person he was with me. I just can't love the person he has become. I hope that makes sense.
We will have to find you someone new. I hate hearing about Henrik all the time. Let's go to the next question. She wants to know if you enjoy flying?
I don't want to answer that.
Oh crap. Stop filming. Hold on, Marta. I'm coming.